Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at the euro currency. Well, on the euro currency, in fact, market has shown the retracement that we have discussed in our weekly research, right back up to the neckline and turns to the downside again. But the price action is really tight and we do not see any development in one or other direction. Meantime, slightly lower than current market stance, we have next fib support area. It's not the major support, but still, that is this 768 fib support, and in the first glance it looks like the just fib support. But as we will see on the intraday charts, that is not just the fib level. Here we will have the multiple targets of different patterns that now are forming on the intraday charts. Recall that we have discussed yesterday. We have the context for the possible Jordan-Napoli directional Brent bottom sell, and theoretically this pattern still could appear, although market has shown some pauses right here. It's thrust down, some flat action again, continuation, flat action, but price stands separately from the 3x3 and we do not have any close above the 3x3. It means that this thrust down is not as bad as it looks by its shape, and in general this is acceptable and suitable for a possible Brent bottom trade. That's why we can't exclude the possible retracement to the upside. Keep in mind this possibility. That is very significant for a current development. So if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the butterfly. Okay, that was the yesterday retracement that we have discussed in our weekly research. So right to the weekly pivot point, to the neckline of the double top, daily double top pattern. That is also some minor fib resistance. So market has tested it and turns to the downside again. So from the butterfly point of view, it means that if market has shown direction on 127 extension and turns to the downside again, it means usually that market should reach the next target, is 1618 extension. Also we have this A, B, C top, D point that also has the same target as the butterfly stance. And take a look, it's 135.93. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, you'll see that 768 support is 135.83 as well. So that is an agreement. And we have the fib support, butterfly reversal pattern here, ABCD pattern, and slightly lower stands the weekly pivot support one. That's the first possible development. So and this placing of the fib levels and current market makes very difficult possibility to take the short position right now. So if you have taken the short position here, as we have discussed yesterday, well, you can try to keep it, at least you have the ability to protect it by the break-even stop loss order. But if you do not have any position right now, it's very difficult to take the short here, because here is strong support. Where you place your stop? Somewhere above the neckline. Okay, but this will not give you the acceptable risk-reward ratio. So it means that in current situation you can't take the short position. So you just need to wait a bit. When the market either will show some continuation down or will show the deeper retracement that you could use for taking the short position. And from that point of view, the Brent bottom, potential Brent bottom trade, could be really the chance, if it will appear, could be really the chance for this, for taking the short position. Another risk factor that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart is right here. I don't have the MACD predictor because the chart will look too heavy if we draw another line here. But with this candle, we have the bullish stop grabber. Bullish stop grabber suggests the taking out of these highs. Okay, and if it will work, it really could lead to appearing of the Brent bottom, because if market will move above this high, you will get another pattern that you will see on the hourly time frame chart. And this pattern could be the double bottom on the hourly time frame chart. The target of the double bottom will be approximately around 137.30 area. And if you'll take a look at the daily chart, the 137.30, 137.58, that is the fib resistance where the brand body should take place. So now you probably understand the all trickiness of this current situation. Although this possible retracement, even if it will be the deep retracement right to this area, although it maybe will not drastically shift the overall bearish setup on the daily time frame chart, and probably it will not erase the double top pattern, but it could lead to the significant retracement on the intraday charts that is unwelcome for us, or if you intend to take the short position. That's why here I see for today some important issues of three major moments. The first moment is standing for scalp traders. So if you scalp trader, here's the pattern, this grabber pattern, and if you trade the grabbers, you could try to do this because you have the pattern, it's still valid, and it will be valid until market will hold above its low. The target of this pattern will be above these highs. So that's the first and most simple issue. Second, if you're bearish, you need to wait when the market will show either deep retracement up, or at least some retracement that could let you take the short position, or you need to get some downward continuation on the daily time frame chart. The market really starts to move down and then trying to take the position on some intraday charts. So if you're bullish, well, in this case, the double top pattern and the stop grabber also is the object to think about for you. So that's the couple of moments. Because until market holds with this grabber, personally, I do not want to take the short position. Since I have one from this top, as we have discussed, I protect it by break-even stop, and I will think about the increasing this position only when the market will erase the grabber and will totally erase the possibility of the upward significant retracement. Only in this case. If this will happen, well, in this case we could think about the taking more short position or take the initial position if you do not have any. Well, but until the grabber stands, this increases the risk of upward bounce, and that's why this is just the factor, the pattern that we do not need to have on our back when you think about the taking the short. So wait either for retracement or when the market will erase it. That's the short trading plan for today's session on the euro currency.